This one, huh? Okay. Okay. This earthing.
Red, black.
Earthing. Red.
Black.
Then black. Okay. Test. Okay. Point.
Okay.
Okay.
Again.
Another. You did not off the. You did not. Okay. PC.
Yes, please.
Where is this one? The knob.
Yes, not okay.
No trip. This one.
Yes.
No trip. And this one, huh?
Yes.
Line.
Yes.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Earthing.
Okay.
And line.
Yes.
Okay, do it. There.
Touch.
Neutral. The space. Earthing. And neutral. Okay.
Test.
Okay. Okay. Test.
Hello. Hi, sir. No, not come. Not come.
This is the record for
Yes.
PSC, huh?
Yes.
I will.
PSC or?
I will call.
PSC. PSC.
Hmm?
PSC.
PAFC.
PSC.
PSC.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Kitna?
Okay.
743.
743.
Yes.
Another.
Z equal.
ZD.
Yes.
0.32.
0.32 ZD.
Yes.
Kalas?
Alas.
Finish. Okay. No trip, huh? This is DB first floor. Okay, put it. Put.
No problem.
Earth, red, and put it yellow. Put it yellow. This one.
Yellow.
Put it yellow.
Yellow
boss.
लगाइए.
Put yellow. Because we're always putting the red.
Test.
Test.
Time कितना? 30 seconds.
How much? This one, what is this?
682.
682
PSC.
PSC. Another
0.
ZI or ZE 0.35. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. This time we will put R1, R2. So we need to short blue. Can you make blue? Blue. Earthing. One earthing. Come on, do it now. Earthing and blue. Okay? Blue. Wait, huh? Okay. Now we're checking R1, R2. So we have to go to continuity. Yeah? RLO. So RLO, you check there. Only P and E. P and L. P and L, no? Okay. Okay, continuity for the two. Okay, come and do it. We use the blue.
Blue. I think blue.
Earthing and blue. Earthing and blue. That's what we check there. Okay, earthing and blue.
Test.
Yes, yes. How much? 0.21, right?
Yes.
Right.
Okay, 0.21, okay. Okay. Yellow.
Yellow.
Okay, 0.19.
Okay, next red.
Red. Red. Almost same. Okay, good. Very nice. We're checking. Make it red. Red. Red, okay? This is shorting, huh? You're shorting the red. Okay.
Check.
Okay. RLO. Continuity. Red and earth. Okay.
Earth green.
This is we are now taking R1 plus R2. R1 is the red, R2 is the earth, and it is there. Okay, and also the red. Okay, it was 18.
18.
Okay. Next, blue.
Blue.
Blue. Put it like that. I cannot see. Blue.
Test.
Test. 6. What is the one? 18. Okay. Next, yellow. We jump.
Test.
Yeah.
Test.
Yeah.
भाई
Okay.
अच्छा से पकड़ो
Adjust. It's very big. Again. No.
चला गया
Again. So high. No.
भाई आप थोड़ा अच्छा से
बराबर
Okay, again. No,
नहीं,
it's
blue नहीं,
yellow.
yellow.
It's open circuit. Yeah, it is like that. Come on, do it. No.
नहीं यार अच्छा से या
No.
वो 2
We will reset it. Wait. Open it first. Can you tip that one? Do it. It's your tip.
निकाल के बात करो
Yes.
Okay.
होल्ड करो कुछ करो
Test. No, we will make it reset 0. Sir. Okay.
Okay.
Another.
अभी
Open. Okay. Come on, do it again.
yellow
It's so high. Yellow and yellow green.
टच किया है उधर.
टच किया
yellow
येलो
I think yellow
अर्थिंग में लगाओ. येलो का लगाओ.
See, come on, test.
टेस्ट.
हाँ
Okay.
Oh, very good. That's good. Okay, 15. Climb. Who will climb? Your tools. Put your tools secure. No, do not use that one now. Do not use that one, my
अभी
friend.
क्यों
So we have to check what the isolator. Okay. Okay, put it. What we will check here now? Tripping, RCD. RCD first.
this is your phone right
Okay. Where's the RCD? Where you will put? Okay. Times 1 first.
One time.
Okay. Times 1. Okay, do it. They're ready now?
ओ बोलो पावर के लिए VRF1
Pure F1. Anyway, you can trip that one. They will know that one there.
खाली बस खाली
Come on.
और ऑन करने के लिए बोलिए.
So VRF1.
हेलो हाँ अली भाई मैं अभी आज से ही टेस्टिंग कर रहा हूँ ट्रिप है तो बताओ ठीक है
Okay. Come on, do it. Earth
हाँ वी आर फोन
and
ऑन करेगा
earth and line only. Earth and line only, no?
हाँ ठीक है
Okay, earth and line.
और आना
Earth,
और थोड़ा लाइन न्यूट्रल.
but it's not functioning here. Why?
और आया ना
Only earth, earth only there. Earth only and line.
अर्थ लाइन.
Earth and line only. Come on, do it.
Oh, yes.
Come on, do it. Great. Okay, trip. This times 1, huh?
Times 1.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 7 milliseconds. 7.6.
हाँ
Okay. Okay, next.
नेक्स्ट
Yellow.
पावर ऑन करेगा
Put it 5. Okay. Press.
टेस्ट
Yeah. Okay, 7.4 milliseconds. Okay, blue. Make it blue. Make it 1/2. Make it 1/2. So we will say, okay, come on, do it. It will not trip. 310 milliseconds. Okay, put it. So good. Okay.
लास्ट कितना
So the same procedure with the another isolator.
इधर क्या कितना आया 7.6 से 7.4 आया
किधर
Okay.
हाँ
Put it red only.
हाँ 7.6
Put it 1. And we are in here. PE or earthing and line. Okay, do it.
we are
Only red. Only red, huh? Times 1.
टेस्ट
Okay, times 1. Come on, do it.
टेस्ट
Test. How much? 28 milli? Okay, anyway. Put it in 1/2. Put it in 1/2 or 5. Okay. Test. 7.6 milli? Okay. Okay. Put it, no, only red. Okay, red. Put it 1/2. Okay, do it. 310. Good. This is good results. Okay. So for PC value, we have to check in the no trip. Okay, no trip. Now see all the line is on now.
VR2 का
VRF2. VRF2 neutral line and earthing, and we are in loop no trip. Okay, do it. Test. 30 seconds, huh?
Yes.
We'll see. This is what value PAC?
यस
कितना आया
और
466.
466
Okay.
ZD.
ZA 0.51. This is correct, no? 0.51 is okay, no? Okay.
नेक्स्ट VR1 भाई नेक्स्ट VR1 में
Okay, we will go to BRF1. So for BRF for AC1, actually this is for the AC here. Testing the isolator. Okay. Same procedure. No trip. Loop impedance. We have N, E, and L. So checking the red, earth, neutral, and the earth. Okay, come on, test.
कितना वेट हाँ कितना
PAC 476.
सेट्टी कितना 3 पॉइंट
No.
सेट्टी कितना
ZA. Come on. 0.50. 0.5. 0.5. Okay. This is okay now. You can remove now.
भाई हाँ हो गया अभी और कम
The R1 R2, which is too short in the SMD in the DB side, is SMDB side, no?
भाई बंदे पावर
और बंद
BRF1,
ठीक है VR1 बंद करो
BRF1,
रेड में रखो
red and earth. This one should be in the
दोनों बंद कर दें कंटिन्यूटी
okay continuity section. They are doing it
बंद करो
और बंद है
okay now.
हाँ ओके
Red and earth
टेस्ट
test.
जो टच किया है
टच किया रेड हाँ टेस्ट
ओके
0.42.
आ रहा भाई अच्छा से पकड़ो
I think this is more, huh?
हाँ यस इधर थोड़ा अच्छे से
But it's okay. I
अभी
think it's
check करो,
very
अभी
high.
check करो।
Very high. Still very high. We'll check another. No.
नहीं भाई रेड ना
Red and yellow.
वो थोड़ा अच्छे से पकड़ो, क्या नहीं ज़्यादा कंटिन्यूटी में डालो
Okay.
अभी।
Oh, this open.
ओपन भाई
ओपन करिए सब
That's open. Put in the center. Put in the center.
गलत में ऐसे पकड़ो हाँ अभी टेस्ट करो।
Okay.
हाँ,
Yeah, put it 8. Oh, it's okay.
नेक्स्ट येलो में
Okay. Yellow. Put yellow. There in the yellow. Okay. You right? 28.
चेक
हाँ रख दिया हाँ येलो
Okay, check. No.
नहीं आया
No, it's open.
वेट भाई वेट हरी भाई हो गया
येलो अर्थ है
हाँ अभी चेक करो
Still
नहीं
high.
ना वो कहीं वो ज़्यादा आ रहा हाँ अभी चेक करो
No.
नहीं ज़्यादा आ रहा
Try.
0.49 आ रहा
Put it again.
भाई ब्लू में चेक करो ब्लू में रख के चेक करो हाँ चेक करो
Oh, 0.29.
ब्लू में 29 आ रहा ठीक है और
Again the yellow one. Again the yellow one because
ब्लू
I doubt on that.
येलो में
that number. Yellow again. No.
ज़्यादा आ रहा
Yeah,
Hello?
very big. Very high. Come on, do it again.
अगेन भाई
Yellow.
टेस्ट करो
सही है
0.36.
0.36
ओके
I think okay.
Okay. Next we are up to minus.
Okay. Make sure thing first and test. Okay. Okay, do it. Red and your rep 2.
चेक
हाँ yes.
See, check.
ओके
Okay. 27. Next, yellow. Come on.
हाँ येलो चेक करो
28. Okay.
Okay
Next.
ब्लू
ओके
28. Okay. Very good. So check here all the equipment. Isolator 1, isolator 2
हाँ और अंडर
for the AC. The washer is no longer good, huh? Rubber washer. Yeah. Okay. Good.
हेलो
Nice.
अली भाई
नाइस
पावर ऑन करो
Okay. Closing back. DB na. Okay. So, okay. Ano lang tayo sakit? No trip. Okay. Okay, no trip and we are using socket now.
टेस्ट
Okay, there's power, oh. Okay. Right this one, Siddiqui. 30 seconds.
मैं तो नहीं आता हूँ इतना
सर्किट कितना
सर्किट देखा होगा जमा किचन एरिया
Wait. What happened? Okay.
ये सी
Wait. PAC 568. Another. Go down.
जेड
Z1, ZE.
Z max 0.42.
Point 0.42. This is probably okay.
Yeah, this is actual.
PSC
560,
Z
0.51.
Z1 0.51.
Z max 551.
0.35. PFC. We need that one here? Or no?
You already PSC already noted, no?
560.
568. Z max one 0.51.
But for Sid Max, we will use table. Z actual. Come on, do it. Again. Down. Again. PFC. Z Max. This one. 0.42. This is the Z actual. This is Z actual plus your R1 R2 which is in your another TCE2. Okay? Okay.